What if your lighting could deliver insights that allow you to manage your facility more productively? What if your lighting could help you maximize energy savings? What if you could create an environment in which your employees feel safer and perform at their best? Introducing Interact Industry. Efficiently manage all your lighting from anywhere at any time. Get smarter with automated lighting maintenance and updates. Improve your sustainability credentials and maximize energy savings. Improve your productivity, safety, and quality control with lighting that adapts to task and schedule. Optimize your facility's layout, use space more efficiently, and make workflows more effective. Enhance employee productivity with wayfinding and location-based services. With Interact Industry, you can manage all your lighting via one dashboard. Collect and share data about operations and activities. Securely store and analyze all your data in the cloud to generate new insight. Use APIs to create new applications and services. And integrate lighting with other building systems. Interact Industry helps you to optimize efficiency through insights and data, maximize energy savings, and improve safety and productivity. No more guesswork, just real-time, data-driven decisions. Interact Industry.